Today I'm gonna show you guys how to fix Samsung dryer which is not heating. To fix it, we have to take apart the our dryer to get the access to the heating element. There are a couple of screws at the front which is attached to the lint filter. To remove that, then we can easily pull out the whole. You can see there's lots of lint and hairs. Now I'm gonna take out the. We have fully access to the heating element, so we pull the components with the help of multimeter. First of all, gonna clean lint, then we'll replace the limit sensor in this unit, which was faulty. This high limit sensor was faulted, so I replaced it. So client also mentioned it was making noise as well. So I will clean all four rollers. There are two rollers in the back and two at the front. So you can see there's lots of hair stuck in the rollers. So that's why it wasn't spinning really and it was making really loud noise. So I cleaned up them, then I put it back, everything together. So now it's ready to use.